Hi guys, so today I'll be reviewing this combination smoking carbon monoxide alarm, and this brand it's literally one of the best ones for smoke detectors. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Perfect. So here we have the 3 smoke detectors. I really like that it's very visible, the screen. And I am so grateful for the brand to send this so we can review it together and you guys know what to expect when you're getting this product. So it does come with the instructions as well, and also the screws for each packet. Perfect. So this is a 3-pack, and what I really like is that literally like it has a task button and the visibility of the screen as well. So this is gonna be very useful, and I'm gonna install this on my house to show you guys a demo of how to install it as well.